So this is a little unboxing for all my fellow hygienists. I just got the Schultz wireless butterfly. I know. Are you excited? I'm excited. Somebody's excited about the bubble wrap. I'm excited to get inside this guy. So this is what it looks like. And this will be the mount to my loops. And this is a little charging station. It's magnetic. So you take these batteries and they just put on like that. Magnetically charge while you use the one mounted with this on my loops. I am so excited. Bray, thank you for the background noise.
I'm just sad because I left my loops at work. I might have to go get them.
Okay, I wanted to share my new Schultz Optic Butterfly Wireless Light. Say that 10 times fast. So my old setup was, obviously I have my new light on here, but let's just pretend. Use your imagination. So I got that on there, and then I had my old light to my face shield. So I'd have to put on my loops and then put on this, and of course I have a mask on as well. And then I gotta plug it in, have that in my pocket. My patients are like, is that your battery pack, or are you just happy to see me? Just kidding. They're like, but Simone, you're a girl, right? It's 2021, you don't know what I am. So my new setup is this. You got this. I forgot my new face shield. So for face shields clipped on, I'm on like that. I put my battery pack on magnetically and turn it on and off. Boom. One other thing I wanted to share about this headlight is check out the brightness compared to this guy. So that's my old light. And let me just push this guy on. Oh, Jesus. So, look at the clarity. Nice headlights. Hey-oh. God, I cracked myself up. But yeah, look at that. Hello. And that's just all like scattered and flimsy.